Hello guys, LifeHackster here, and today we are going to review and check out probably the best indoor cam of 2024 and in the coming year of 2025, the eufy indoor cam E30. I gave a preview of this camera in my best smart home security camera video about a video ago, and I will link it down below if you haven't seen it yet. We will see if this $70 MSRP and currently $60 at Amazon for a 4K recording indoor camera is going to be in the list for the best indoor camera. Also, I bought this indoor E30 at Amazon for this video. This plug-in indoor cam records in 4K quality 3840 by 2160 pixel resolution at 15 frames per second. It has a 125-degree diagonal field of view. But this is also a pan and tilt camera that pans 360 degrees and tilts 75 degrees. And it has smart AI tracking of people and pets. This has spotlights and can be triggered by human-detected events for color recording at night. It does have infrared night vision too. This is a eufy, so no monthly subscription needed. It can record to a microSD card, motion events, or 24/7 continuous recordings, or can be set up to record to eufy's Homebase 3. And for Apple HomeKit users, yes, this E30 is HomeKit compatible. It is also compatible with Google and Amazon Echo devices. Inside the box, you will get the camera, some paperwork like the quick start guide, and as to the camera itself, it has the same body and design as the eufy C220 and the C210, except this indoor E30 records in 4K and has a spotlight. We also have the mic, lens, and status light, infrared LEDs somewhere here. On the back, we have the speaker. On the bottom, we have the sync button and the USB-C port for power. Tilting the camera up, you will see the microSD card slot, and this is compatible up to 128GB card. What else you're going to get? Mounting screws for wall or ceiling install, which it comes with a mounting bracket, a power brick, 5 volts and 2 amps, and a USB-C cable around 6.5 feet in length. Let's insert a microSD card and set this up. Plug in the camera and open up the eufy app. Click the plus sign, wired camera, indoor cam E30, next. So you can connect this to eufy's Homebase 3 or directly to Wi-Fi, which is what I'm going to do first. Scan the QR code which is on the back of the camera. Press the sync button for 2 seconds, and it can only connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Type in your Wi-Fi's password and wait until it is added successfully. Name it and update the firmware if needed. Let's check these settings in the app. When you open up the app, you will see the snapshot from the camera. We have the events icon here, and this is where you can view and download the footages to your phone. There is also the timeline icon, and you can see the blue areas where I'm recording 24/7, and the orange areas are motion events. Click on the snapshot to stream the live view, which loads up pretty quick. In here, you can record the live view, listen in, start two-way talk, which is full duplex, and we have the pan and tilt controls. Pan to the left, pan to the right, tilt up, or tilt down. We have preset positions where you can set up to 4 presets. We have panorama, and this is where the camera will create a panoramic snapshot in which you can just tap the area you want the camera to point instead of using the pan and tilt controls. Swipe to the left for more options. You can manually trigger the siren, gear icon for the camera settings, privacy icon to turn off the camera. We have light settings. You can set it in a schedule, and you can adjust the brightness here. You can also adjust the brightness when you turn the light manually. Motion detection. When set up by itself, you will get human and pet detection. Adjust the sensitivity, and you can turn on AI tracking here. Sound detection. It also has all sound or just crying detection. Adjust the sensitivity here, and also has the round look feature, which means when the camera hears a sound, it will pan around automatically. Pan and tilt settings. This is where you can turn on auto cruise or patrol mode, and angle settings is where you can customize where the camera will turn when you turn on privacy mode. By the way, in security modes, you can choose the camera to go in privacy mode when home mode is selected. Video settings, and I'll just show you in the recording quality that the camera is recording in 4K. Now, they noted here that when AI tracking is triggered, the camera will record to 2K max only. But I did check my footages and they are all on 4K with tracking on. This is also where you can set it to record 24/7. Rotate 180 if you're installing this in a ceiling. Lastly, notifications. You can pick which events you want to be notified about. I usually set this to full effect to get the snapshots. Remember though that the snapshots are uploaded to the cloud temporarily. If you don't want that, then choose most efficient for just text notifications. Back in the main camera page, you can connect this to the Eufy's Homebase 3 so as to record to it instead of the microSD card. And it can also record motion events only or continuously 24/7 to the Homebase. When connected to the Homebase 3, you will get the Homebase AI. You will get facial recognition, person, pet, and vehicle detection. Also note that when connected to the Homebase, you will not be able to set up Apple Homekit. The camera needs to be set up to connect directly to your Wi-Fi first. And just add accessory, and note the limitations that you will get when Homekit is enabled, like only 1080p resolution on both the Eufy and Home app. Just pause the videos so as to read all of it. The camera features are crippled a lot when integrated with HomeKit. But when set up, you can easily access the camera in the Home app. Now time to do some testing. So this is the video and audio quality of Eufy's Indoor Cam E30. And I have the tracking turned on and the blinds are partially open. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the camera. And this is what it looks like when I'm about 25 feet away from the camera. So this is the video quality of the Eufy Indoor Cam E30, and this time blinds are closed, no lights. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the camera, and this is what it looks like when I'm about 25 feet away from the camera. So this is the video quality of the Eufy Indoor Cam E30 at night, and this with the lights on, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the camera. And this is what it looks like about 25 feet away. So one unique feature of the Eufy Indoor Cam E30 is that it has spotlights, and it will sense when you sense human motion at night, it will turn on, and it's pretty bright. And this is what it looks like, and about a foot away from the camera, and hopefully I'm not really overexposed. And this is what it looks like about 25 feet away from the camera. So this is the video quality of the Eufy Indoor Cam E30 at night, and this no lights, and it has two infrared LEDs. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the camera, and this is what it looks like when I'm about 25 feet away. All right, so we are going to test the notification speed of the Eufy Indoor Cam E30. And I'm on my 5G cellular network, and it is 11:22. Let's check it out. That quick. I'll get a text notification first, and then I'll get a thumbnail. I'll see it right there, and when you click on it, it should open up prior. It has a pre-recording. Show it right there. Cool. All right, 11:23. Okay, it is still 11:23, so it's less than a minute. Let's see if there is a notification cool off. Nope, there's not. I got notified again, and snapshot right here. Excellent. Cool. All right, so we will be testing the motor noise, if there is a motor noise when this Eufy Indoor Cam E30 pans. I could barely hear it. There's some, but you have to be very close. How about when it tilts? There's some too. I can actually hear the tilt more than the panning. But you need to be very close to it.
This is the audio quality coming out from Eufy's Indoor Cam E30. This is the audio quality coming out from Eufy's Indoor Cam E30.
So what do you think? This eufy indoor cam E30 performed well in my testing. Video quality is pretty good, its tracking is pretty accurate, and will follow and stick to the first person it detected. We don't have a big house, so I personally will not turn on auto tracking in my setup, so as to minimize motion artifacting, which happens when the camera moves. All tracking cameras will have this issue. In static position though, you'll be able to appreciate the 4K quality of the footage. For price to features that you get for this camera, this is definitely my pick for the best indoor camera of 2024 going on to 2025. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.